Up. Oi. Hello everyone.
Hello.
We gathered together to make you a great buffalo.
Chicken wings.
They're gonna be juicy, very tasty. And on the side, we're gonna have a buffalo sauce and a
Blue cheese sauce.
quite tasty, our way, which means an amazing way. You start with the wings.
Yes, I have 20 chicken wings here.
How many people?
4. Depends on how spicy they are gonna be.
All right.
Adding 2 tablespoons of flour, 1 tablespoon salt, 1 tablespoon black pepper, 1 tablespoon red pepper flakes, 1 tablespoon hot powdered red pepper.
If they don't have red pepper flakes, do they need to use it? No, just a bit more.
No, they can use more of this. And half teaspoon garlic powder.
What's the difference between garlic and garlic powder?
Because it's dry, it's more intense. And for example, for air fry, for deep fry, for oven, they don't get burned easily because if there are garlic chunks on the chicken, they can get burned and we don't like that bitterness.
There's a slightly bitter taste. Plus, we got so used to, we order from restaurants. We have that certain amount of taste, and this garlic powder gives you that satisfaction on the side as well. Is it a must? No, but it makes that difference, so we always have some garlic powder and some onion powder sometimes, yes.
Ah, yes. I'm mixing all together, but very well.
I start to preheat the air fryer. Probably 25 minutes will be enough. If you do it in the oven, put your oven rack on the second highest and put your wings here and then grill 240 degrees. Are you ready?
I am ready, but if I see some white parts on the chicken,
All right.
I extra dip them to the spices.
Now it's a bit hot. Air fry comes in. Do you want me to the bottom?
There already looks and smells great. And the last one, as you can see, they're all finished.
So, voila. This gets into the air fryer for 25 minutes. In the oven, you need at least 40 minutes to do so. And the degrees would be 240 degrees actually. Now, let's move to the sauce. We have really hot peppers like this. It could be any chili pepper that you can find where you live. I'm roughly cutting them in my saucepan. I'm going to also use the seeds. I don't want to, get into the extra effort of not using the seeds. And I also put 5 cloves of garlic in and a little bit of water. I'm going to leave it half of it as a chili sauce, and you can use it anytime. And the rest is gonna turn into a buffalo sauce. Now, because this is really hot, don't smell so much. 4 tablespoons of vinegar.
Tablespoon of lemon juice. 1 tablespoon sugar. Very nice. That's all. We are stirring and turn the heat on, high heat, but a small burner. It's gonna boil for 10 minutes. It's gonna simmer for 10 minutes, I'm sorry. And then it will be ready and tasty, I guess.
So, simmering after 10 minutes, it starts to turn even brighter red. Now, we're gonna put it to the blender. As you can see, this is a really, really beautiful chili sauce. Bright colored red.
Inshallah, I can take half of it.
Or you pour it without dropping. So, who believes that it's gonna have some drips out? Huh? I believe he will not. Yeah.
Delicious.
It's quite hot, very delicious. Now, turning this great chili sauce, which is really hot, into a buffalo sauce. Put a tablespoon of butter, let it melt. Because this is quite hot, I'm not going to add extra red flake peppers. It depends on the pepper sometimes. If it's not so hot, you can add some. A bit of salt, about half a teaspoon. About half a teaspoon of black pepper gets in. Half a teaspoon of, again, another garlic powder. A pinch of sugar, always to these sauces. Sweet and saltiness is important. And also, a little bit more sweetness. A teaspoon of molasses. This is if you have. This is not a must. Or if you have Worcestershire sauce in your pantry, you can use that as well. This is going to be the coating, the buffalo sauce of the chicken wings. I'm going to leave this here hot for the butter to melt and bubble. While that, we can go to make the
blue cheese sauce because we need a refreshment for our mouth.
Yeah, and always to the hotness, some milky product will reduce the heat. So we need the sauce.
We have 60 grams, which is like 1 heaped tablespoon blue cheese. Smash them a bit so they can mix easily. And then 1 heaped tablespoon mayonnaise. And for
Evil eye is around. Evil eye is around.
Hocam ya, this little evil eye.
To this we put kefir. Instead of the sour cream, you can use sour cream, but this is lighter. I believe it's as tasty. So about 4 tablespoons of kefir.
And some drops of lemon, because using kefir instead of sour cream, so we are making it more sour.
And you may have seen it in some of the tips. If you're gonna use like a tablespoon, 2 tablespoons of lemon, you just cut it like this and you put it into the fridge like this or around, so you can use it before it goes bad.
I call it Pac-Man style.
Pac-Man style, nice. Bahar called it Pac-Man style, nice name. So, guys, actually, this is quite good.
Did you see the oil?
By the way, in 20 minutes the wings were ready, so now they're ready to join with the sauce. Yağını almasa mıydık acaba?
No, we should.
You go.
I'll try my best. Maybe, because there might be other videos today. I think one of my favorite things about this is the color.
The extra sauce is also very important. Don't throw it away.
Ready?
Okay,
You ready?
I am ready. But to tell you the truth, guys, I'm not like a pro on wings, so you should tell me. Or is there a pro between us?
Can take the meat and leave the bone in one lokma.
We had Adil Bey, he was a pro in all videos from years ago. Ooh, it's hot. I'm that unprofessional in this. Oh, it's so tasty. To balance it in the mouth and get the taste of the hotness, always have an ayran or some kefir on the side to drink.
Okay, this was the buffalo wings in our way. If you want something more, you can write below. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe, and have a great summer.